Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2020 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.